guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. I'm just sharing with you today's Sam's Club haul, and I didn't get as much as I normally get there. In fact, I went in there for chicken, and basically that was the only thing on my list. I needed some mozzarella. I guess we're just gonna jump in here. I needed some mozzarella, and so I get the pearls, which are the small little tiny balls of mozzarella, and that's because this is the cheapest you can get for mozzarella. And so yeah, anyways, I pretty much only went into Sam's Club to get chicken, but I saw a few things that we needed, so I went ahead and grabbed those. And the other thing I always try to get at Sam's Club is my ground beef, and this is the 93% lean, 7% fat. I try to go as low as I can possibly go with the fat without getting too outrageous on the price. This is $4.48 a pound, and so it's about $5 a pack if you want to look at it that way, which is cheaper than Kroger, I know for sure. And I decided to get the boys some snacks there, and this is a variety pack, and this is about as processed as we're gonna go for now. And then I try to get things that are a little bit more healthy, but I still buy them some processed stuff. Probably a lot of processed stuff, but anyways, that's all I got processed in this haul. We were out of bananas, and I tend to grab green small ones, like the smaller size, because they'll waste a larger one. And Aiden saw these kiwis, mighties, and they're so cute. They come with a little kiwi spoon. But anyways, he wanted some of those. I like kiwis. I'm not sure if Jack or Luke likes them, but when they ask me for fruit, of course I'm gonna get it. And then Jack eats the go-go squeezes. And of course that's the best deal, is to get those at Sam's. Jason picked out these apples. I tend to buy apples from Kroger and not Sam's Club, but I don't eat apples as much as they do, so that's fine. And of course, peppers are also cheaper to get at Sam's Club. These average about $1 a piece, and you know that at Kroger they'll be like $1.25 a piece or so, and it just depends on the colors. These were a good deal, $5 for this huge pack. I think at Kroger a half of this pack would be $5, so also a good deal. So this is my Sam's haul for today. And yesterday I did go to Walmart and get things, so this just complements what I got yesterday. I'm actually not going to be sharing that in this video, but I just wanted to show you what I did get in some staple pieces that we keep in the house. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.